Okay, guys, now I'm going to do task 26, question 1, right? Firstly, this question, as we discussed in class, is wrong. The question is supposed to be like this. X minus 3 to the power of 2 minus 1 divided by x minus 4. Okay, now x minus 3 to the power of 2 minus 1. That is actually this. We can write it like this: x minus 3 to the power of 2 minus 1 to the power of 2. Because if I write it like this, then it's going to be difference of two squares, right? Then while it's difference of two squares, I'm going to write it like this. It's going to be x minus 3 times, right, x minus 1. So it's basically going to be this. Because difference of two squares, we say positive times and negatives, right? So it's going to be this: x minus 3 minus 1 times x minus 3 plus 1. Oops. It's going to be this. Okay. Why? Because difference of two squares. So x minus 3 minus 1, it's going to be x minus 4 times x minus 3 plus 1 is going to be x minus 2. Right. Then, since that's how this is going to be, I'm going to rewrite everything. Okay, it's going to be like this. Okay, let me write this with different color. Okay, it's going to be this. This equals to, I'm going to, instead of x minus 3 to the power of 2 minus 1, I'm going to write x minus 4 times x minus 2. Okay, x minus 4 times x minus 2, right, divided by x minus 4. Again, the same thing we're gonna do here. The same ones will cancel each other, this, and the answer is going to be x minus 2. So this is going to be our answer, x minus 2, because the x minus 4 and x minus 4 will cancel each other. Okay. Okay, let's look at question 2. Question 2. Question says x minus 3. Okay, I'm gonna write it here. X minus 3 over. First, you need to organize this. See, it's a trinomial. The standard form for trinomial is going to be x squared minus bx, x squared plus bx plus c. Then this standard form going to be like this. This basically equals to x squared minus 6x plus 9. Right, this trinomial, now I'm going to look for the factors of 9. Obviously, it's going to be 3 and 3, right? And then I need to decide now whether it's going to be positive 3 and negative 3, because if it's positive 3, 3 times 3 will be 9, 3 plus 3 will be positive 6. I'm looking for negative 6. Then it's going to be negative 3 and, right, negative 3. Then I'm going to write it here. It's going to be x minus 3 times x minus 3. Right. So once I do this, as you can see, x minus 3, x minus 3, x minus 3. So then one of these, the bottom will cancel with the one on the top. Then on the top I will have 1 left. At the bottom I will have x minus 3. So the answer is going to be 1 over x minus 3. Okay. Question 3. Right. Okay. Now in this question, again, I have to look for what I can use here. So you need to see now what is common here, right? It's going to be 2x. 2x times what will be 6x squared. That is going to be 3x, right? 2x times what will be negative 2x. It's going to be minus 1. At the bottom, what's happening here? Let's see, 3x minus 9x squared. If I say here, okay, let's see what we can do here. Okay, let's say 3x. 3x times what will be x, then this is going to be 1 minus 3x times what will be 9x squared. That is going to be 3x. Okay, then this equals to what? Again, the same story. 3x minus 1, 1 minus 3x. They aren't the same. But if I multiply 1 by negative 1, then I can get them the same. So basically, 3x minus 1 divided by 1 minus 3x is negative 1. I'm just gonna cancel it because I do know that from the previous example. I'm just quickly going to remind you that because we said, say for example, a minus b divided by a minus b equals to 1. Then we did say that a minus b divided by b minus a equals to negative 1. So same as it, for this to cancel right out, it was supposed to be 3x minus 1 divided by 3x minus 1, then we will be able to cancel it out. But it's 3x minus 1 here, 1 minus 3x. So if I multiply this by negative 1, then I can get them the same. That's why I say 3x minus 1 divided by 1 minus 3x do cancel them each other, but it's going to be negative 1. So negative 1 time, it's going to be negative 2x over 3x, and then these x's will also cancel each other. Then I will have negative 2 over 3. This is going to be my answer. Okay, let's continue with question 4. Question 4 says what? Okay, here x minus y, the only thing we need to know, the first thing actually is going to be this, the fraction rule. This part will go up, this part will come down. And then I see there's a difference of 2 squares here. First, let me sort it out. Okay, x squared minus y squared equals to x plus y times x minus y. Right, then I'm going to rewrite everything here. Okay, let me do that. So I'm going to say this equals to x minus y divided by, I'm not going to write this, I'm going to write here x plus y, right, x plus y times x minus y times, now we said this is going to up, right, x plus y times x plus y divided by, now this is coming down, x minus y. Okay, so once I write it like this, then again I'm gonna look for now what I can cancel out. Okay, so you see this x minus y here, x minus y here, they will cancel each other. X plus y here, x plus y here, they will cancel each other. Then what is left? On the top I have x plus y, right? divided by, in the bottom, what do I have here? At the bottom, I have x minus y. X minus y. So this is going to be my answer. Right, this here, this is x plus y times x plus y. So you can cancel any of this. It doesn't matter which one you cancel. I cancel this one. You can cancel this x plus y with this x plus y. It doesn't matter which one you cancel out. Right, so the answer is going to be x plus y over x minus y. Right, question 5. Let's quickly look at this one too. Again, I'm just gonna write everything here in this corner. Right, firstly I have x square minus x. Right, this x square minus x equals to, right, x times x minus 1. Right, then I have x squared plus 2x plus 1. This is a trinomial. 1 time came, these are going to be 1. So I'm going to say then x squared plus 2x plus 1 equals to, because we said this is a trinomial. Okay, let me just write this nicely. Plus 1. Trinomial. I'm going to look for the factors of 1. Obviously, it's going to be 1. 1 times 1 is 1. And 1 plus 1 is going to be 2. So it's going to be x plus 1 times gain x plus 1. Right, then what else do I have here? Let's see. Here I have x squared minus 1. Right, x squared minus 1. We did say this equals to x squared minus 1 squared, and that is, right, and this is basically, because difference of 2 squared, we're going to say x plus 1 times x minus 1. Right. Oh, okay, the last thing what we have here is ax plus a. What is common there? A. So this is going to be ax minus, sorry, plus 1. Because a times x will be ax, a times 1 will be a. Okay, now I'm going to take this information and put it in the question, then I'm going to rewrite this question. So we don't need to fill up anything because this is not the division, this is multiplication. So the first one, x squared minus x, I'm going to write as x, right, times x minus 1. Right, over x squared minus 1, we said it's going to be, so yeah, x plus 1, x plus 1 times x minus 1 times, I come here, this trinomial, what happened here, we said this is going to be x plus 1 times, right, x plus 1 over ax plus a, we said it's going to be a x plus 1, right. So once I do that, now I'm going to cancel out the same ones. So I see x minus 1 is here, x minus 1 is here. I see x plus 1 is here, x plus 1 is here, x plus 1 is here, x plus 1 is here. So on top what I have, only x. Bottom what do I have left? Only a. So the answer is going to be this, x over a. Okay. Let's see next question. Question 6. Okay, firstly, this is a division. I need to keep that in mind because this is going to be flipped. Right, I'm going to do the same thing here. X squared minus xy. It's going to be what? X squared minus, oops. Right, I'm just gonna write everything here. X squared minus xy, that equals to, right, x, right, then this is going to be x minus y, right, then xy minus y squared, we have that, let's see, xy minus y squared, that equals to, now what's common here, y, I'm going to take this y out, then this is going to be x minus y. Right, then I go to the next one, which is going to be y squared plus yz. So y squared plus yz. That equals to, again, what's common here? It's y, right? This is going to be y, and then plus z. Right, what else I have? Now I have something else here, xy plus xz. That equals to, what is common here? X. Right, then this is going to be what? Y plus z. Okay. Now this is the information I will be using here. Okay, let's do that. Okay. So I'm going to say this equals to x squared minus xy. I'm not going to write that. I'm going to say x times x minus y. Okay. Over y squared plus yz, right? Y squared plus yz is going to be y. It's going to be y plus z. Okay. Let me just, that's nicely. All right. So then this division, so we're going to fill up this now, this times xy plus xz. Let's see what we set for that. This is going to be, just click on top, x times y plus z over, now xy minus y squared. That equals to y, right, x minus y. Okay, let's see from here what we can cancel out. Okay, I see x minus y is here. I have x minus y, and they will cancel each other. Y plus z is here. Y plus z is here. Then what I have left here, x and x times x will be x squared, and y times y will be y squared. Because bottom I have y, and y times y will be y squared. Top I have x and x times x will be x squared. So this is going to be my answer. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Okay, let's see. All right, here again, same thing. Let's see. It looks like it is a trinomial. I'm not gonna go into details. X squared plus 2x minus 8. All right, I'm gonna look for the factors of minus 8, and when I add them together, I must get plus 2. That is going to be, I'm just gonna write it here, 4 and negative 2. Right, in the bottom, x squared minus 7x, and then plus 10, and then that is going to be negative 5, and negative 2. Then I have x squared plus 5x plus 4, and then that is going to be, right, 1 and 4. Then here x squared minus 6x plus 5. Right, so then that is going to be negative 5 and negative 1. Right, so these are my factors for these trinomials. Okay, we're lucky because everywhere is a trinomial. Okay, so since that is the case, let's rewrite everything. First one here, since my factors are 4 and negative 2, then it's going to be x plus 4 times x minus 2 over, right, x minus 5, x minus 5 times x minus 2 times, we said this is a division, so this is going to go up, this is going to come down. So it's going to be, this is going to go up, x minus 5 times x minus 1 divided by, this is going to come down, x plus 1 times x minus x plus, sorry, x plus 4. Right, so once I do this, then I'm gonna look and try to see what I can cancel out. I see there's an x minus 2 here, x minus 2, x minus 5, x minus 5, x plus 4, x plus 4. Right, what is left? On the top I have x minus 1 left here on the top. The bottom, what is left? X plus 1. And this is going to be the answer. Right, let's see if there is another question. Okay, now then we're done. Okay, this is the next topic that I will be doing is addition and subtraction of rational expressions.